Alright, sports fans, today we are replacing a camshaft position sensor on a 2010 Ford Focus 2.0 4-cylinder. One of the simplest things to do, a lot simpler than replacing the air filter that I just did. So, here is your camshaft position sensor. It's going to be to the right of your engine block. Be, of course, you got to have stuff in the way or it's just not a job, right? So you have to be careful and move these lines out of the way, and you're going to take, this is an 8mm, and we're going to take that apart, or take that off, and I'll get right back. Okay, now while I do this, the symptoms this car's having is stalling, most of the time when it's real cold. But my fuel mileage is running down. Yes, I know, wintertime, typically your fuel mileage will go down, but I'm losing like 3 to 4 miles a gallon difference. And it's throwing this P0340 code, I believe is what it was. So, oh yes, of course you gotta fight your gut. So anyway, yes, it wants to be incredibly difficult. May have never been in place. Now, I went to AutoZone before I got my OBD reader and had them read it, and they told me this is what it was. Then they went in and said the sensor was going to be $53. Okay, I'll get back with you on that. Went to Rock Auto online, and that was $40-something. Dang, okay, there's your bolt. We're going to put that someplace we're not going to lose it. Right up here front. So, wow. Went to NAPA, $19. Okay. So, I just take out the wrong one. Damn sure I did. No, I didn't. There we go. That's the little booger right there. Now, there are clips on top. I have seen some of them clips where they're on the bottom. I hate these clips. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's the clip, all right. Probably why no one else has replaced it. Okay, gotta go get a rag and a screwdriver. Okay. Now here's this, and once I looked at it a little closer, back here should be the release for this clip. Well, I said it should be. There again, every damn thing's gotta have to have a different clip on it and all this other crap. I hate these damn things. I mean, there, finally. Okay. Damn it, boy. Get the new one. I am saving the old one just in case for whatever reason this new one doesn't work. Because I know the old one will at least run. Here's the one for NAPA. Part number, you see that one? CSS1261. Let's see if this is going to be our problem. I hope it is. Kind of compare. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, heard a little click. going to tighten it up now. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Georgia living in an apartment complex. I don't know what the torque is on this. Can't be much.
Hey,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
Oh, you're a mechanic too.
No, I hate working on my own vehicles. So. But sometimes I have to.
Not everybody can do that, let me tell you.
Sometimes I wish I didn't, because sometimes I get myself in more trouble. then I have to pay somebody to fix it.
Pay for your mistakes.
Yeah, sometimes. Every once in a while. This is hopefully straightforward, though. Okay, it's the next day. I drove it around this morning. I went and filled up with gas. Drove it around some more because the issue I was having, one was my miles per gallon dropped from like 29 in the city down to 25 and 26. And it just kept going down. So my miles per gallon are back. I'm back up at 29, like 29.4 right now. And this thing's running smooth. Running really smooth. The other issue I was having is whether my gas tank was full or empty. I'd start and just some mornings, especially when it was cold, it would just die. You'd be going down the road, shift gears or something, it'd die. So I had the code red, like I said, and it was the code was saying it was the camshaft position sensor. So I've got to replace that, and it seemed to fixed it. So there you go. If you're having those issues with your Ford Focus, go have the code red, and if it's showing that camshaft position sensor, change it out. It's really easy, just like you saw. So anyway, Donald, Blue Collar DIY, we out of here.